Hello everyone, myself Maruti, welcoming you all to this math video session. In this video, I'm going to talk regarding a topic related to linear equations, linear pair of equations under two variables. So here I said linear. So as soon as I say the word linear, you have to remember the degree of the variables present is 1. Linear pair. Pair means we are taking two equations. Linear pair of equations under two variables. We are not talking one variable, we are taking two variables. It may be x and y, it may be L and M, it may be P and Q, whatever it might be. Linear pair of equations under two variables. Now, to get the two equations, so we are dealing with a sum which is dealing with a geometrical shape. Right. Real life application, geometrical shape we have taken. What kind of thing is there in the real life which is looking like which we are comparing with? Let's read out the question for you. Right. Half the perimeter of a rectangle. You please focus on the word rectangle. Half the perimeter of the rectangle garden is 36 meters. Point 1. Next, if the length is 4 more than width, right, find the dimensions of the garden. This is the given question for you. I repeat, half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meters, right? What is the geometric shape we have seen? Rectangular. And what is the thing which is present here? It's nothing but the garden, right? Rectangular garden, right? Now, so what he says, he has given the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. Perimeter is related to 36. Whose perimeter? Rectangular garden's perimeter is 36 meters. That is the point 1. Now, if the length is 4 more than the width, so the dimensions whatever are there for the rectangle, length and width, they both are related. One is dependent on the other. Right. So if the length is 4 more than its width, find the dimensions of the garden. He is asking us to find the dimensions of the garden. Now, just let's go for the basics. Now, what is the shape he is talking about? The shape he is talking about is the rectangle. So, what does the rectangle, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? Just to focus on that. It's nothing but the general assumption we are going. General values we are going here. Right. So what is the things? Length will be having. Length, generally we take the length as L units, and width, generally let's take the width as W or B or whatever it is, up to you. Right, I like to take here W. Now, so what is the topic he is discussing about? He is talking about, what's that? It's nothing but rectangular garden. So now let me go for the figure here. Right. So here I am talking about its rectangular garden. That is the word we are supposed to remember here. So, right, what are the two dimensions? Dimensions are length and the width. Now you know the lengthier side is nothing but the length and the shorter side is nothing but the width. So now when we are dealing with the question, what do you take? Let the length of the rectangle be L. Let the width be so and so W. Right. Now, so I'm taking the measurements. Now that's what I said. Let the length I like to relate it to X units. Okay. Now width I like to relate it to Y units. So these are the dimensions what we are having, right? So now, what are the dimensions? Length and the width. So how many unknowns are there? We are having two unknowns there. So as we are having two unknowns, and you have to remember, as the topic itself is saying linear pair of equations, we are supposed to search for two equations here. Two equation. We have to set right two linear pair of equation so that you can solve. If you solve it with all the three, any different methods what you have, we will be able to get the dimensions. What is the length and what is the width? Okay. Now, what kind of relations he has given? Now, there is a basic relation what he has given. Of course, he has given two relations for us. Perimeter, half the perimeter of the garden is 36. That is the first relation. Always focus on the numbers what he has given. 36 is the number what he has given. Right. What is the 36? Perimeter, but not perimeter, half the perimeter. That is the first relation. And the second one what he has given is length is 4 more than the width. Length is compared to the width. right? How much is length? Length is 4 more than the width, right? So my logic says for you in a different way, right? What is compared to what? So let's go for the logic here. So what is the logic he is saying, right? Logic is saying length is compared to width. The length compared to width. Length is compared to width. That is the point what you have to remember. So length is compared to width. That is the point one. And right, always remember to which it is compared, that you take it as x. Right, length is compared to the width, therefore take the width as x and the length as y. There the sum becomes easy for you, right? To which it is compared, length is compared to the width, so take width as x and the length as y. Now let us go back to the corrections. Width, let us take it as x, yes, and the length we are taking it as y. Then why did we take earlier like that? Why? Because generally we take it as length as x and width as y, but here length is compared to the width, therefore I made changes. This is what you are supposed to think. This is a strategy what you are supposed to think. Okay, now let's go for the first relation what he has given, but please remember we are in search of two equations. Okay, what is the first relation? Of course we are having two, but I like to take the basic relation. This is the relation between the dimensions itself. After the dimensions, then we go to the perimeter. So first deal with this one. What he says, but right, what he says, length is 4 more than width. This is the relation what he has given. Okay, now you have to remember the logical word what we are able to see here. The logical word or the stressing word, the key word is nothing but the more. More means always it's nothing but plus. You have to remember that one. So length is 4 more than width. Length, what is the length we are talking about? We are considering as length, we are considering it as y. Okay, and the key word is nothing but equals. Right, is, was, has, were, are, all these comes under equal to symbol. You have to remember is, has, shall, was, all these comes under equal symbols. Right, equals to, length equals to 4 more than width. 4 more than width. Right, but my logic says always take it from the back side, reverse direction. Generally we write the numbers from right, left to right, but whenever a number and a variable is there, always take it from the back. Right, here 4 more than width, right? You know the width we are talking it as x, right? Right, how much more? 4. 4 more than width, but I don't want to write like that. Go in the reverse direction. That's the basic strategy what we are supposed to use. 4 more than width. That is the equation what we are having now. So 4 more than the width. Of course, if you want, you can convert the equation in the standard form. So standard form, what is that? X plus y, take it to the minus y. If plus 4 is equal to 0. Now therefore, x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. I like to call it as equation 1. Yes, with the basic relation which is given between the dimensions itself, I am able to set right the first equation. Here the logics what we are remembering is width. Length is compared to the width, therefore the earlier one, the which is done already, that we are taking as x and the length we are taking it as y. More means plus and is means equals. These are the key words what we have to remember. Okay, now let's get back to the relation 2. What is the, we are all set with the equation 1. What is the second relation what he has given? What is this? Half the perimeter. Half the perimeter of the rectangle is 36 meters. Half the perimeter of the rectangle is 36 meters. Let's go for that one. So half the perimeter. Half the perimeter of rectangle is 36 meters. This is what is given to us. Right? Half the perimeter of the rectangle is 36 meters. Let's go. Let's set up this one in terms of, right, this is sentence. Now you express that one in terms of symbols. First the sentence from the question. Later on, this is the sentence taken from the question. Convert in terms of symbols, then simplify. SSS. Sentence, symbol, simplification. You are supposed to remember this one. This is the first test. Half the perimeter of the rectangle is 36 meters. Now let's go for that one. What is this? Half the perimeter, right, of rectangle is, just now I said is means equals, is equals 36 meters. This is the sentence. This is in terms of symbol. Now you simplify that, make in terms of, break the formula in terms of its labelings. So which equals half the perimeter. What's the perimeter of a rectangle? We know the perimeter is 2 into L plus B is equal to 36 meters. You have to remember, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Now, as you all know, right, so the length is nothing but X, right, width is nothing but X, length is nothing but Y. So, here we are taking length is nothing but Y and width is nothing but X is equal to 36 meters. Okay, now if you check it out, I can cancel the 2's here. Now what is left over? X plus Y is equal to 36 meters or simply 36. This is the equation 2 what we are having. So now this is our dream. We are ready with equation 1 and we are ready with equation 2. What is left over now? It's nothing but solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equations 1 and 2, right? As I said earlier, we can solving elimination method, substitution method, reciprocal method, cross-section method, or any other method available for us. Now we are solving equation 1 and 2. What is the first equation? X minus y plus 4 equals to 0, and the second equation is x plus y. Okay, I'm bringing to this side minus 36 is equal to 0. If you cancel the stuff, if you cancel these two, we are having 2x minus 32 is equal 0. Let's simplify that. 2x is equal to 32 and x equals 32 by 2, which is nothing but 16. X equals 16. This is the first value what we got. Right, now let's substitute. Right, let me write it down here. After this, we are going this side. Right, substituting. What is the value we've got? X equals 16 in any one of the equation, in equation 1. Right, so what's the first equation what we got? Or if you are searching for here, it is already set, right, in like let us call this and write in, just let us take that one. So y is equal to x plus 4. This is what he is saying. So y equals x plus 4. So y equals x, we got it as 16 plus 4, y equals 20 meters. Now let's write the conclusion part. So what's the conclusion part here? So we are writing the conclusion, right? So what's the conclusion? Length of rectangular garden, comma, what is the length we are considering? Y equals 20 meters and width of rectangular garden, right, comma, x is equal to 16 meters. Right, after getting that, don't forget we are supposed to verify that one. So verification plays an important role here. So let's go for verification. So what is the main point what he has given? Right, half the perimeter is 36. Let's take this one. Half the perimeter equals 36. That is half of 2 into x plus y. We need to get 36. So let us check it out. We are not sure whether it is right or wrong. Let's substitute there. Half of 2 into x, what do you got? It's nothing but 16. Y we got it as 20. Right, equals 36. We have to check it. We are not sure. So if you add it up, 16 plus 20 equals 36. 36 is equal to 36. LHS equals RHS. Means, hence, verified. We have verified it also. Guys, please remember, it's a cool stuff. Right, straight away, go with that one. He has given two labelings. Perimeter and the relation. There are two relations here. The labelings are length and breadth. The logic what you have to remember is always to which it is compared. You take that as x and the one what is the next should be taken as y. Therefore, length is compared to the width. Therefore, width I have taken as x and length I have taken as y. Right. He is adding it as sum. So I am taking y is equal to x plus 4. I framed it as first equation. And what else he says? Half the perimeter is 36. Right? Sentence, symbol, simplification. This is the sentence. This is in terms of symbols. And I have simplified and make it as equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. And you will be getting the answer. Hope you understand. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.